We barely quiet, hunting for rabbits.
What's up, Doc?
Rabbit. He's not phased. Alright, few days since I've been out here. A lot of work's been done. Got the squad out here unloading some trees. Majority of the patio has been laid. Pool has been wrapped up. Covers on. Wall all complete down through here. Looks amazing. So, still gotta finish up the patio, gotta finish up all the landscaping around here. As you can tell, nothing but mud. That wall looks amazing. Patio's looking amazing. Beautiful day. More can you ask for? Having a very in-depth meeting of the minds, figuring out the plan for the day. Alright, checking up on the squad after near-death experience with a fox running out in front of me on a major road. I made it here safely though. Wrapping up, getting the lights put in, patios in, pools in, most of the plants are in. Coming down to the get down. Alright, so lots of progress made here since we've been here the last time. Check it on, see what's going on. It's right back there. Got all the trees and the laurels around there, all the privacy screening, all the light, all the
Did I stutter?
uplights going on over there, lighting down over here. Still some of these lights going on the wall need to get in. Big Dave in the building. Mr. Owen back there with his pit vipers looking fresh. So, as you can see on this beautiful first week of June day, last week of school for a lot of kids, just got some touch-up work to do, little odds and ends here and there. That bad boy's gonna be a wrap. Be back, get the final picks, final shots, all that good stuff. Check it out. Alright, so project is pretty much a wrap. So gonna have to come back, get the pool open, patio all cleaned up, get some final pictures. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you on the next one. Yes, sir. I did get that. Yes, sir.
Dear God, it's beautiful.
Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.